Hey guys, Landon Smith here with Remax Professionals. And have you ever wondered, are you safe with the insurance and the types of insurance that you have? Are you going to be protected from the mayhem, right, that could come up? We've all seen the commercials. These are some things to consider, okay? Number one, do you have a lot of jewelry in your home? If you do, if you have a diamond ring, if you have some other things that maybe gold or silver, expensive metals, you may want to get some jewelry insurance just to protect those in the event that your home was broken into and those things were stolen. I've got a great contact for that, that can provide that type of insurance for you. So definitely you want to make sure that you've got that covered if you do have jewelry inside your home. Number two, okay, some people need earthquake insurance or hurricane insurance. Here in the Denver metro area, we don't need a whole lot of that because we don't have, those things that are happening here. So I don't know too many people that have that type of insurance, but flood insurance, we do, it is a good idea to have especially if you're in a flood zone or a floodplain. And, for us, we don't have a whole lot of that either because we don't have a ton of bodies of water here, but we do have the Platte River, and we've got a few other bodies of water that may create a need for flood insurance. And you never know when you're just going to have torrential downpour that causes, flood in your basement. And so that may be something to consider if you want to be extra safe to make sure that you're protected from floods. And then last but not least, if you live in a condo, you may want to have a special assessment rider on your policy. And what that is you pay a little bit extra per year, to have that special assessment coverage. But if the condo community, let's say there's hail damage that comes in, that we get all the time. Hail damage here in Denver on a condo community for all the roofs in the entire community, and maybe like the paint, maybe the siding, hail can do a ton of damage. If they have to repair all of that and their deductible doesn't cover all of that, right? They have a huge deductible, then they will put some of that on the owners in the community and say, all right, let's just charge every owner $3,500 until we can recoup our costs back to, get through the storm. And so when that happens, if you have special assessment insurance, then you're covered. You're safe. You don't have to worry about it. That insurance policy rider will cover you in those situations. So you don't have to get surprised by your HOA community and then grow to hate them even more. That's the whole point of this, okay? Hopefully you have a good one if you live in a condo. There are some great ones out there, but I know a lot of people are frustrated with their HOA communities that may be mismanaged or nitpicky about, what you do within the community, stuff like that. They are there for a purpose to govern and run the community. And some happen to be a little more corrupt than others, right? Some are great. They're fantastic. So there's a little bit of everything everywhere you go. But those three types of insurance, you guys, here in the Denver metro area especially, that condo insurance rider, if that's applicable to you, flood insurance and jewelry coverage in your home are really good ideas to make sure that you're extra covered. I've got some amazing contacts for you if you need an insurance broker that can help you with all three or just one of these things. Feel free to give me a call. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. Again, I'm Landon Smith with Remax Professionals and the Dream Smith team. And I appreciate you listening. We'll catch you on the next one.